I'm Cassandra and welcome to Bookworm Delectables. Today we'll be making honey carrot cookies from the Winnie the Pooh cookie cookbook. This recipe reminds me of the book Winnie the Pooh by A.A. Milne, a particular chapter when Winnie the Pooh goes to visit Rabbit, and Winnie the Pooh decides to invite himself over for lunch and has a little bit too much honey, and he gets stuck in Rabbit's doorway. You know that silly old bear. For the honey carrot cookies that Rabbit made, we will need 1 stick softened butter or a half of a cup, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup sugar, granulated, 3 tablespoons, that which Winnie the Pooh that is, can't resist, honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 1/4 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a cup of carrots shredded, plus more granulated sugar. Okay, here's our trusty bowl. Now to start, for these lovely cookies, we're going to cream the butter. Let's put that in the bowl. And the sugar together until they're nice and fluffy. Get this started. Okay, now we're going to add the eggs one at a time. There's one. There's 1 egg in there. Let's give it some powder and mix it up. Okay. We'll add the other. So that's eggs in there. Mix that up. Scrape down the sides a little bit. Now it's time to add the piece de resistance, the honey. Pour that in there. Definitely need the spatula to get all that out. Okay, so we'll mix this up. That's nicely combined. We'll scrape down the sides. Missed a spot. Need my viewers to catch me. Just a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Now it's time to set this mixture aside and put together the dry ingredients. Oh wait, I'm sorry. We can't go on to the dry ingredients. I forgot to add the vanilla. Let's just mix that in. Now we can go on to the dry ingredients. Here is the bowl for the dry ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients, we'll be sifting everything together. So here's the 2 1/4 cups flour. This baking soda and a pinch of salt. Just put this in and sift away. The animals could be doing a dance. Let's make this go a little faster. Okay, we don't want any of these big clumps to go in. Okay, so now we're going to add the dry ingredients and the carrots to the wet ingredients. So first, we're going to start with the carrots. Just mix that in. Once this is mixed, I'm going to start to go on to the next part, which will be putting them on the pan so that they can go in the oven. Here is my cookie sheet. Not exactly the best looking, but you need an ungreased cookie sheet. And then you're going to flour your hands. You're going to take the batter and you're going to roll it into 1-inch balls. And place it on the cookie sheet. Oops, sorry. So, once you have a tray of cookies, then you take the granulated sugar and you sprinkle the sugar on top of the cookies. You bake these cookies at 325 for 12 to 14 minutes or until lightly browned. I'll see you when they're done. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And to make sure you receive notifications, please hit the bell. Here are the cookies we made. They look good. You'll find the information for the recipe down below in the description box, along with information on the Winnie the Pooh cookie book and the Winnie the Pooh book by A.A. Milne. It's time to try the cookies. They're good, nice and soft, perfect for dipping, kind of like milk, coffee, or even tea. Perfect tea cookie. Let me know if you make it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.